Go ahead.
Okay, so this event is for Halloween, and the setup is a carnival. As you can see, this is a pit with a cauldron, and the setup is to display Halloween and to make it scary.
Right on the line of the 90.
And then this is display that we make it for, you know, just to dress it up and everything. And the whole game is for the kids to do a toss-up, and they win the Gatorade or the drinks.
So you have to take one of these.
You want to take one of those, and
then
then
you
you
throw
throw
it.
it from the line.
You have to go by this line,
Yeah.
and then you have to throw it on it.
Yep.
And it looks easy, but it's not.
Easy, but it's not. Yeah. So
And is he the judge?
he's a character from Friday the 13th. Jason.
Okay, this is Sonia. She does a really good job with her art and everything.